lot of kayaks and it's in a box. This is a kayak. It's inflatable. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it today. Blow it up, make sure there's no holes. And tomorrow I'll take it out on the lake and the creeks or wherever we find to take it and make sure we don't die. And if we do die, you're never gonna see this. Alright, there it is. The Challenger. See, how many feet is this? It is 11 feet. 3, 6, 9, 12. It says it can hold 400 pounds, 2 passengers. That might stop carrying for a while. The other inflatable seat, yeah. Alright. What am I missing? Now filled up. Alright, so that concludes the tryout of the inflatable kayak.
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was great.
Was it better than you thought it was going to be?
Yes.
The only thing that I think could be improved on it is a drain from the inside. You get a little water in there when you're kayaking.
Oh.
So I imagine it'll smell if you don't get it out, so it was a little hard trying to get the water out. but I got it out eventually. Other than that, it was pretty stable.
Yeah, it was a good kayak, definitely.
Obviously, we were just on like a lake and a little bit of a creek that we went up, so it wasn't too crazy. I don't know. All in all, I think it's a good purchase. It's a good buy. We enjoyed our time. It's nice if you have a car, don't have a truck, and if you live in an apartment and you don't want to haul something super heavy every time you want to go kayaking.
Right.
So
yeah,
it's just
worth it.
Totally worth it.
Definitely.